Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn how to view the site security information on your Samsung Internet browser. Launch the Samsung Internet browser, open any website that you want to view the security information. Now once you open the website, you will have this padlock icon in the address bar or the header bar. Just tap on this padlock icon and it will display the privacy information saying that the connection status, like this connection is secure, it has attempted to block 8 trackings and 7 cookies are in use. So this is the privacy information that you can find for any specific website. Say suppose if I visit any other website, any news site like NY Post, and just tap on this padlock icon, and here you can see the Samsung is blocking 21 tracking attempts, and it also used 68 cookies, and the connection is secured. So in this way you can view the privacy information of any website on your Samsung Internet browser.